American classic cornbread. Even though it's so easy to bake at home, the flavor is not so simple because it has the sweetness of the pastry and the savouriness of the corn. Homemade cornbread with savory touch. Let's begin. First, we're going to start by gently melting the butter on low heat. When it's done, you can pour it to a separate container until further use. And then we're gonna start combining the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder, kosher salt, sugar, last but not least, the cornmeal. It all depends on your preference, but I personally prefer the medium ground cornmeal, which can be easily purchased at any grocery store. A bit of whisking action to the dry ingredients, and let's work on the wet ingredients. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And mix in the buttermilk. Add your melted butter. And some more whisking action. And you pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Supposedly, it mixes better this way. Whisk all the combined ingredients together. I would recommend not to mix it too much. You'll overwork the gluten and then it's going to lose the signature flaky texture of the cornbread. Spray the preheated cast iron pan and then pour the mixture wall to wall. Form it a little bit and then flatten the surface. And drop this bad boy into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Take it out of the oven and then cool it for a little bit. The cornbread is cool enough to handle, just flip it over to a resting wire rack. Slice the cornbread into blocks and then we're going to toast it on a pan with butter. Flip it over when it's looking sexy like this. You can just enjoy this cornbread as is. Just drizzle a little bit of honey on top and serve it with the black coffee for breakfast. Oh man, this is perfect. But let's make it more fun. Score a shallot a few times and then just slice it. Half the chili and cut this into semicircle slices. On medium-high heat, sweat the shallot and the chili together for about 1 minute. And add 3 tablespoons of sweet corn to the pan. Lightly season with salt and black pepper. And my key ingredient, a little bit of love. Randomly place the blocks of the cornbread on a plate. And add your buttered corn on top. And a little bit of cilantro garnish will be perfect. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. And I'll be back with more exciting home baking recipes.